Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a module and a mockup. I am logged in and currently I'm in the mockup design view. Mockups are divided into modules. A module is a name for a group of mockups. It is done to make the functionality groups clearly distinguishable. Let's say that we want to separate the front end for the user from the back end for the administrator. Or maybe we would like to separate the eviction module from the sale or delivery module. That will definitely help in the designing phase and later on while programming. It will also allow us to move sets of features between our different projects. The top toolbar contains a New Mockup button. We click it with our mouse and the New Mockup window pops up. We can choose a module here or we can define a new one. Currently we have no defined modules, so the list of modules is empty. So we type in the name of the module in the Create New text field. The name cannot contain any special characters. The best name is short, containing one word and no special characters or numbers. It should be easy to grasp and clearly define the functionality set, for instance, order warehouse, etc. In the next field we type in the name of the mockup, which is subject to the same restrictions as the module name. We can set the dimensions of the mockup. The default ones are 800 by 800 pixels. We can change them at any time and they can't be smaller than 100 by 100 pixels. A mockup is like a blank piece of paper where we'll put our components, draw different shapes, change the color scheme, basically draw in our application. The last step is choosing the mockup type. We can choose between page and layout. Every application consists of a so-called layout. So, for instance, when we design a store, it consists of fixed elements like a top banner, a menu, and possibly a footer. And that's what we call a layout. A part that will change is, for example, the content of the store, where one time we see groups of products, another time a list of products, or a product itself. Those interchangeable pieces are the page type of mockup. Thanks to that division, we don't have to redraw parts that have already been drawn on our mockups or copy and duplicate them. Of course, the app allows you to do that, and you can have multiple layouts and switch between them. However, from a programming perspective, if we decide to generate the application, we will get duplicated code, which is not a good solution. After defining the mockups, we click Create. In the top left corner, you can see a list of modules together with the list of mockups. Now that we have a module, we can add another mockup without the need to create a new module. We click the New Mockup button, we choose the module that we've just created, we enter the name, size and type of the mockup. And we click Create. As you can see, another mockup has been added to our module. We can create multiple modules and choose multiple mockups inside of them. We can also edit the name of the module, as well as delete modules and mockups. If we want to change the name of a mockup, we choose one from the top list of mockups, and on the right side in the Properties panel, we can see the current name that we can change. Notice that in the Properties panel on the right side, we can see the page component type, and below that is the mockup name. There's also an option for copying modules between projects or merging projects into one, which I'll show you in another presentation. But for now, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.